Sorry. We were muted on one of the streams. There we go. Still working out the kinks here. How's it going though, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? Adam, what's going on? Good morning, bro. Cameron, Dino. How we doing, guys? Good to be back. Good to be back with you here on Friday. And we're going to have a good day. I want to get my screen up, take a look at some trades. Market is down. What is it down again? 1.4%. Jesus, man. 1.4% drop overnight on the NQ. Gold is down 2%. Pretty wild markets. So I want to get my screen up and let's take a look at some trades. I'd love to know if anyone took some overnight trades, what you guys are looking at. But yeah, we're going to do our best, man. As you guys know, I haven't had the best trading week, to be honest. But it's just the way it goes. You can't win them all, right? Here we go. Just got to get this other screen up. All right. All right. There we go. Market is in recovery. Yeah. I mean, listen, I think this pullback is healthy, higher time frame. I don't really have any issues with it. I'm not like scared or bearish. Like, here's the thing, guys. Every experience I've ever had where we get massive drops like this, load up on your investments if you're investing in the stock market. Like, where is the last time I bought QQQ for my like longer term investments was here. And it's going to make me look like a genius. I wasn't, though. I just saw a massive sell-off. It was in April of this year. I look like a genius. I bought in this area. Like, I'm pretty sure I bought when it was still going down a little bit. I bought somewhere like here. And it proceeded to drop another, I don't know, what is this? It dropped like another 13%. But I've been holding it ever since. Like, and you look like a genius here, right? All of these massive drops is just opportunities to dollar cost average in, get yourself a better entry. Just keep buying. If it drops further, which I think it could drop further, like from a technical perspective, I think I would like to even see these wicks get taken out here. Seems like a long ways away, but when we sell off like this, it's not crazy. That's not what we're going to be looking at today, though, of course. Maybe the market wants to come to this daily wick right here. That would be the next like really clear swing low. And then we could just like narrow down, go to the 4 hour, kind of lines up the same way. We have no like fair value gaps in here, no daily levels that I'm super interested in. I just see this swing low as a potential draw on liquidity. But we don't have to hit it today either. Maybe we just want to bounce here after sweeping out this low. You know, when you do take higher time frame liquidity, normally you should expect some type of like reversion back to equilibrium, you know, mean reverting move. So who knows? Maybe it's longs today, but I really don't want to force anything. It's tough. We got a falling knife on a Friday. Fridays are notorious for being extra violent, especially on days like this. So listen, if you guys are up on the day, if you're green, don't force any trades. Okay. That's the one piece of advice I'll give you. Okay. Some of you guys are long EU. Interesting. We're sweeping the previous weekly low. Yeah, I'm sure we are. Giveaways today. Yes, of course. We got some giveaways planned. We'll be giving away some Blue Guardian accounts, some Top One Futures accounts. Big shout out to our sponsors. Those firms are awesome. I think I'm going to load up myself on some Top One Futures accounts as well. I'm probably going to do it soon. I did get myself some Tradeify accounts yesterday. So I'll be trading those probably primarily today. If you guys have been following the stream, you know where I'm at. We took a 10K payout on my last set of accounts, and then I ended up torching them 2 days ago. So I had to re-up. I re-upped yesterday, and solid so far. So we're up 700 times 5 accounts, whatever that is. So we'll probably trade those today. Focus on those. But I think I'm also going to load up on Top One Futures soon, as long as the deal lasts. But I'm also thinking Black Friday is coming up. You know what I mean? So, keep an eye on prop firm match, guys, because you're going to get the best discounts. I'm thinking when we get a little bit closer to Black Friday, some of these promos are going to get even better. Top One Futures, I don't know how much better it can get with 55% off. That's going to be pretty tough to beat for instant funding, but who knows? Sometimes what Top One Futures does is like their usual, they'll let you trade 3 instant funded accounts and copy trade. Sometimes they'll be like, hey, in this promo, we'll let you trade 5. So if they let me trade 5 instant funded for 55% off, code match, guys, I'll probably load up on those too. But we'll see. We'll see. Good morning, though, everyone. I see some more people filtering in. Dino, what are the profit targets in percent in Tradeify to withdraw a payout? 6%, I believe. So, like, if you're trading a 50K account, you need a $3,000 profit target to withdraw, which I believe is like 6%. 100K, it's $6,000. Yeah, so 6%. They need to stop restricting half of the global countries. You know, man, like I've spoken with prop firm owners, like behind the scenes. They have to be safe with certain countries because there is a lot of fraud that goes on in some other countries that they just, they're like, this isn't worth us dealing with. But hey, that's not my, I'm not a prop firm owner, so. But yeah, 6%, Dino. By the way, guys, if you are on YouTube mobile, I know if you're on Instagram mobile, you want to stay on IG. I totally get it. But if you're on YouTube Shorts and you're on your desktop, come on over to the main stream where we're, you don't have to look at it in the vertical format. I'll drop the link for you guys for anyone that wants to migrate over to the mainstream. I'm still a little sick, guys. It's still there, but I think I'm getting better. I think I'm almost at the end of the tunnel here with my cold. I'm going to drop the link right here, though, for you guys. But yeah, guys, smash the like button, okay? As soon as we get to, let's say, where are we at on likes so far? It helps us with the algorithm. I don't mean to sound like too much of an influencer. Smash that like button, but it does help with the algorithm. So the next time we run a giveaway, because we got 8 accounts to give away today, 8. As soon as we hit like 30 to 40 likes, we can run our first giveaway. So smash that like button if you haven't yet. And yeah, we can talk about these markets. By the way, ForexIke is coming on today. So again, our regular guest, he was on last week. I think he's going to be on weekly now. People who are planning to come on weekly. So you're going to start seeing more familiar faces. It's going to be cool, man. It's good for me because, I'm running this whole thing on my own. It's good to have some people help support. We get some other good traders on here. And, we get to learn from each other. So I think that's a big W. We got ForexIke on a weekly basis, it looks like. By the way, chat, let me ask you guys, who do you want to see on stream? Like, is there anybody that you want to see on Prop Firm Match TV? Let me know in the comments so I can, maybe I'll reach out. I try to make sure that we get actual profitable traders. There's a lot of people who will have any guest on, even if they're not a profitable trader. Like they don't have anything interesting to say. Like I'm trying to speak to real traders. I think I've done pretty well with getting some fire guests. Tanya from New York. Dude, I would love to talk with Tanya, but I can try. We should reach out. We should reach out to Tanya. She's a little exclusive, though, from what I've seen. She should help out a fellow New Yorker, though. Fellow Brooklyn kid. I know she lives in Brooklyn, too. So maybe I'll reach out to her. I would love to talk with her, but I just think she's very busy, Tyler G, I would love to, but I think I've spoken with him. Me and him talk on X. And, he does his own stream thing. I think it would be like a conflict. Otherwise, he would have been on probably one of my first guests because he's a friend, you know. Okay, I'm seeing some people say Hydra. Is it this guy? Hold up. No, I can't find him. I don't think it's this guy. Yeah, I'll have to look into it. Hydra is a hack. I'm not going to say nothing. You know what they say, chat? If you got nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. Here, let's do a poll. I want to get a poll going if you guys are bullish or bearish today. Let me get this going. All right, I just dropped a poll on the main YouTube chat. Go ahead. I want to get a gauge. We've been trying to see if we should fade the chat. Remember, guys, like I think so far, chat is 0 for 3. So we're gonna see today. We're gonna see what the chat thinks, and we'll know by the end of the session. Oh yeah, I should have added a neutral option. Oh well, if you had to pick, sometimes it's like you have to pick one. Neutral is kind of a cop-out. Let's be honest. That's a little bit of a cop-out. Maybe one of our audience. I've told the audience, I've told the chat, if you're somebody that's won a giveaway account with us and you got to a payout, I want to have you on. So just let me know. Show me proof. Capital Preservation Friday. I got you, bro. Might be on the same wave. I don't know. We'll see. Shivam, I'm currently bearish, but it's going to depend on the structure for me. Let's see. What's the poll looking like so far? Damn, 62% bullish so far. Chat. Chat, that's interesting. 62% bullish and chat is 0 for 3. We got to see. We got to see what happens there. Dino is bearish, he says. All right, well, let's do our levels. Let's get our levels, guys. You know, sorry, I'm just waiting for this Celsius to hit the dome. Bleeding again. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. So we have our volume profile levels right here. Previous day's high, previous day's low, previous day's POC, and I also got the previous day's value area high right here. So these are my key levels, right? We're below all of my key levels, at least my intraday key levels. So I zoom out. We have this hourly wick. we're currently trying to get past it, right? Do we reverse here, chat? Do you guys think this is a good sweep level for a reversal? At least like mean reversion, revert back to equilibrium. Maybe inside this hourly fair value gap. How about that? Maybe. Let's see where the midnight open is. Way below the midnight open. Way below. I'd even like to narrow this down, this 15-minute gap. Maybe we could paint a long idea up to this gap, up to the midnight open. Not right here, though. I mean, we're not doing nothing that's showing us to go long. Nothing is making us want to go long right here. Morning, Josh. How you doing? Good morning, brother. I'm so sick, guys. Looking for a pullback to 24,850 and then back bearish to 24,425. Excuse me. As you can tell, I'm still a little sick. I can't wait for the weekend, chat. I'm not going to lie, man. Bless you. Thank you, Sack. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to rest all weekend. I'm not doing anything. Well, actually, tomorrow I have a birthing class, which is where I guess they teach us they teach my fiance how to give birth, and how I can help her. So I do got to do that. But other than that, bro, I'm staying in all weekend. I'm going to watch some basketball, watch some football. I'm going to be curled up in a bed, trying to heal up and get healthy. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for the get well soon wishes. Josh, heading home from the gym, catching up on my analysis, glanced at the chart while in the gym. Yeah, not much. I mean, dude, it's just like going down. That's all that's happening. Yes, sir. We got some giveaways today. We got a bunch. We got 8 accounts to give away. I told the stream we hit like 40 or 50 likes. We run our first giveaway. So as soon as that happens, make sure to hit that, smash that like button, bro. I'm trying to refresh the page, see where we're at. So we're at 23. We got 32 people watching on the main stream. If you're on the Instagram stream, remember, come on over to YouTube. Watch us on YouTube if you're at your desk. We hit 40 likes, we'll do the first giveaway. I'll make it easy. Yeah, thank you guys. Get well. A lot of people wishing me get well. If you've been with me every day, y'all know I'm sick. And it's funny. I have I've had like 2 red days in a row when we were sick. Kind of makes sense. Planning to have a baby. Oh yeah, dude. My baby's due. The due date is December 20th. So we got 4 weeks technically, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Could be any day technically. I was saying to my fiance, it would be so funny if she goes into labor like right on stream. I feel like that would be epic. I kind of want it to happen. We have to cut the stream early. It'd be great because there'd be a recording of it. That would make for a funny moment, a good memory. Which it's possible. It could happen. Who knows? What's my X? I will drop the link here for you. It's also in the description of the YouTube video. My YouTube channel, my X account is all in there, but I'll drop it here for you guys too. Good recommendation, Zach. Hot water, ginger, lemon, and honey. Yeah, you know what? I drank I drank tea and honey a couple days ago, and I felt so much better. And then I forgot about it yesterday. So, yeah, after the stream, I'll be doing that for sure. Thank you guys. I appreciate that the chat's excited. It's really cool to like have a community like that. People who watch me every day, you guys start to get to know me. That's what's cool about streaming. And all of our new guests, man, our weekly guests, you're going to get to know them. Like Ike is going to be here at least once a week. He's coming today. It's going to be awesome. You guys want me to take a look at gold? Gold is down 3%, bro. Oh my God. Bro, can we just say we kind of called out gold? Bro. We've kind of read gold like a book. Maybe I should have been reading this or trading this. Adam's starting to feel like family here. I swear. I love that, dude. Remember, guys, too, if you do want to join our giveaways, which will be happening soon, make sure to join our Discord. Okay, so our Discord server is in the description of this video. You can join the invite link, get verified. That is where we run our giveaways. More on that later. But, we're also trying to build a Discord community in there. So, yeah, get up in the Discord, man. Chat with us there. Hang out. We can talk about the stream afterwards. It's just a hangout, a place to post chart markups, all that good stuff. Harpon, good evening for you, brother. But okay, I mean, guys, we freaking actually called this market. I haven't traded it once. I just trade NQ, so it kind of doesn't mean anything that I called this market, but I did call it. We've had this daily fair value gap marked out since the initial sell-off. I said, let's see if this gap holds. If it does, it'll take us higher. Bam. Holds. We consolidate for a few days. What happens, though? We get a 4-hour market structure shift right here. Consolidate. We break out. I said these equal highs are next. These perfect equal highs were the next draw on liquidity. And then we had a 4-hour fair value gap marked out here. And look at that. Hits the 4-hour gap, and now we go lower. Honestly, guys, I think we go lower. I think we make another leg down to I think we break 3,900 for sure. Your live stream is extremely underrated. 1, entertainment. 2, knowledge. 3, winning giveaways. What else do people need? Thank you, bro. Yeah, we're underrated, but we'll keep it growing. We're growing. I mean, there's not a lot of live streamers that can go from like an account that just started to a 10K payout and do it all live on stream and be transparent about it. Most people, you have no idea where they're at with their account balances. You know what I mean? Most like live streamers, you have no idea. They're hiding their account balance number. They're not talking about it. Over here, we're transparent, man. Morning, peeps. Morning, Chris. How you doing, bro? Good to see you in here. Yeah, I think gold comes down to 3,900 easy. Easy. NQ just wants to come down, take this low. I don't see why it stops here. Yeah, smash the like button, guys. Get a giveaway going. Okay, how's the poll doing now? All right, we got 41 votes. Now there is a slight edge on bearish. 52% bearish, 48% bullish. I'm going to end this poll like right before 9:30 because I want to see, and then we'll know. We'll have the official results, and then we'll see what the market does. But okay, it's starting to lean bearish, but maybe that means we should be bullish. I'm just saying the chat is 0 for 3. Good, thanks. Hope you're feeling better, man. Not yet, bro. Still sick, still congested. But we'll get through it. The government is not technically open yet, I don't think. No news. Maybe next week we'll start having news. This has been the weirdest month, bro. This month makes no sense to me. It really doesn't. Longest government shutdown in history. No high impact news for a month. It's crazy, bro. Absolutely nutty. Yeah, we need the news to make banger trades. We really do need the news to help catalyze market movement. Like, actually, though. Stack thinks we're going to hit 24,450. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, that's this overall level. Yeah. I'm getting 400s, but yeah, I'm with you. I mean, I think so. I think it could hit that for sure. Triple lows on the 15-minute. Yeah, they're supposed to reopen Monday, I think. We'll see. We'll see, man. Good morning. Let's make it a great day. Yes. Remember, guys, if you're already green on the week, on a day like today, markets gap down 1.6% overnight on a Friday. Just be careful. Let's be careful today. Capital Preservation Friday, as they like to say. What's crazy is this looks like nothing right here, but this is like what? This is like an 80-point move, bro. This is crazy. This market is very volatile. This is an 80-point move. This little nothing. This is a 300-point move over 1,200 ticks, man. Absolutely nuts. Bro, I think Lanto, shout out Lanto. I wish I could get him on, but he's too, you know how he is, guys. He doesn't even like to show his face. But shout out Lanto. This dude made another like $400,000 on Take Profit Trader. Look at that. Dude made a house. He made the money of like a moderate sized house in like a, I don't know, a middle America state in a day. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, it really is amazing. I'm not even kidding, and it's real. It's true. It's real shit. Listen, man, I had a 6-figure year from trading, and I feel like so happy with myself. I can't imagine making 400,000 in a single day. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. There's levels to this game. Big levels to this game. It was on like 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, Sack. It's real. It's genuinely real, bro. Hey guys, am I freezing up at all? Do I think there's a lot of account blowing with those big payouts? Listen, yeah, there probably is. But listen, bro, there's no way he spent more than 400,000. There's no way. Even if he spent $30,000 to get that going. I mean, come on. What does it matter? I'm sure he's blown quite a few accounts in his career to be able to do stuff like that. Yes. But that's the crazy thing about prop firms. The risk to reward is way outsized. It's just such a high risk reward. So I'm sure he did, bro. And I hear people trying to make that excuse like, oh, well, he blew a bunch of accounts. It's like, bro, he's going to get a 400K payout in a day. Trust me, he's made all his money back, whatever he spent, you know? ROI is all that matters. Return on investment. Yes. Yeah, it looks like we're back. We're good. Yeah, he did it on NASDAQ, Alpine, which is like, of course. It's always going to be on the NQ when you do stuff like that. I saw someone in the chat say I'm next. I might be, bro. I don't know about that, but like, listen. I locked in my first ever 6-figure year just from trading profits alone, right? Like, next year, if I double that, or even if I just make 1.5x that, I'm happy. I'm happy, dude. Levels to this game. It's all about steps, you know? 2 years ago, I wasn't making any money. I was struggling. It's just how it goes. Yep, you have to crawl before you can walk and run, etc. I voted bearish and it looks bearish. Let's go back to the poll. Let's see. Okay, 56% bearish. We're definitely leaning bearish now. How many likes have we hit? We're only at 39 likes, guys. Let's go. Get that to 45. We'll run the first giveaway. We got over 45 people watching, so we should do it. And remember, chat, as soon as, like, if you guys are watching on Instagram, but you're on your computer, come to YouTube. Come to YouTube. That's where you can participate in the giveaways. Apine, if you're trading 5 accounts, it's about where you're at. Are you somebody that takes payouts consistently? Then copy trade them, bro. That's how you get the bigger payouts. If you don't take payouts consistently, maybe do like a set of 2 and a set of 3. I think that's a good idea too. Gives yourself 2 shots. We have 8 accounts to give away today. All right, let's run the giveaway. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Okay. This is what you're going to do. You have to join our Discord server. You guys understand that, right? So go to the description in the video. I'll drop it in the chat too to join our Prop Firm Match Discord. Okay, I just dropped the link in the chat. In both chats, right? So join the Prop Firm Match Discord, and then I'll show you guys how you're gonna enter real quick. Let me show you real quick. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Let me go to the Discord server. You guys are going to go here. So once you join the Discord, you got to verify yourself. Then all these channels will open up. You're going to go here to stream chat. Okay. We'll start with Blue Guardian. Now to enter the giveaway, you're going to go here into Discord, into the stream chat option. Type Blue Guardian to enter the giveaway. All right, so all of the people that type Blue Guardian below my name right there, you will be entered into the giveaway for Blue Guardian. And that's it. That's what you got to do, guys. So go ahead, get that done. We are going to take a quick break, and I will announce the winners. We'll give away 2 accounts. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead, stay in Discord and get your entries in, and we will be right back, okay? And we'll get the winners. So stay tuned. Be right back, guys. All right. We back. How is the giveaway going, guys? Everybody get their entries in? Audio back. I'll give you guys another 60 seconds or so to get your, get everything in. All right. How we doing, chat? Do a marble race. No spin? You guys don't want spin? All right. Well, who needs another second? Are we good? Did everybody get their entries in? Because I'm going to copy these entries now. Looks like we got a lot. Remember, guys, no need to enter more than once, okay? Ooh, I see Shivam was first. Shout out Shivam. I see one person typing. I'm just going to let them finish. No, they already got an entry in. All right, cool. We're good. We're good. You guys want to do a race, right? Emoji race. I always forget how to get to the other races. Is this like dude, this website is so weird. It's kind of sketchy. Chat, are we back? Can you guys hear me? I don't know what just happened. Oh, I'm trying to get everything else up here. Chat, let me know if you guys can hear me. We back? Okay, thank God, man. Thought my laptop was just screwed up. I think it's from running too many streams because we're live on like IG, on YouTube Shorts, and regular. I wonder if that's the issue. I don't really know what happened. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's get this back. Let's get our charts back up. Man. I feel like that might be the situation. We'll have to learn. We'll live and learn. We'll see. See if we can get through the stream though, running both. If not, I might shut down IG. You know what I mean? Because I feel like it's less important. YouTube is what we need. Cyber attack. Not gonna lie, I thought my laptop was broken for a second. I thought like something. I don't even know what I thought. I thought like my laptop got screwed up. My cat like messed. My cat like spilled water on it this morning. I was like, is that what happened? Is that the issue? Is it like broken all of a sudden? I don't know. Yeah, we got to do this giveaway. I think it's from running multiple streams. I think that's the issue here. All right, we're gonna just spin because this is getting too complicated. Let's spin the names. Let me just get the list populated. It's lagging a bit again. Yeah, it's the stream. I think it's combining all the streams. Because I have good internet. It shouldn't be too much of an issue. I think it's from running multiple streams. Yeah, I need to get the list up. Hold up. See if we got them. I just got to pull up all those names again. Yeah, we're going to cut IG if we keep freezing, but we'll see. We're still up right now, so we'll see. If we keep freezing though, we're going to cut IG. I think that's a good middle ground here. I'm just getting this list up for us, guys. Well, the good news is if anybody missed the giveaway went before, you got a lot of time to enter now. You had a ton of time. So no excuses if you missed it. All right. Absolutely no excuses. All right. List is populating. All right. We ready? Why are people asking me to wear the red hat? You guys can hear me, right? Yeah, we're good. You guys can hear me. I think that's just you, Waleed. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. On 3. 1, 2. Ansh Kumar, you were the winner of a Blue Guardian account. Shout out. Big shout out to Anish Kumar. So this is what you're going to do to claim your account. Okay, you're going to go to X. And guys, if I'm beginning to lag, tell me immediately because I want to cut the other streams and see if that's the solution. But you're going to go to PFM support on X. I'll drop it here in the comments. Just show them your Discord handle and you're good to go. Congrats, congrats. All right, let's do another. Let me just save this. All right. Lagging a bit. All right, if it lags one more time, I'm going to cut it. Cut the other stream. Sorry, mobile. It ain't worth it. 1, 2. Rexy942, shout out. Rexy942, you won. Big shout out. You want a Blue Guardian account? There you go. Again, same as everyone else. Go to PFM support on X, and that is where you will claim your account. Show them proof of your Discord handle. Bam, good to go. Guys, if your name isn't there, then you were too late. It is what it is. Don't worry. I got 6 more accounts to give away. Hey, Stoic Jake. How you doing, bro? Thank you. You as well, brother. Have a good stream. All right, I got to cut this other stream. All right, guys, I just cut the other stream. Guys, I got other things to worry about right now. All right, we're trying to get this stream to stop lagging. I just cut the mobile version. So we should be good now. Because it's causing a ton of lag on my end. And it's like I can't focus. Yeah, if the pinwheel has a limit, I don't know, guys. We'll have to figure out a better way. Let's stick with duck race, okay? We'll just do duck race for the rest of the stream because I think you're right. I think pinwheel has a limit. Yeah, look, it's as soon as I cut the other stream, we stopped lagging. So we got to figure that out. Maybe we just don't stream from Instagram. You know what I mean? It's all worth a shot. You know, it's worth a shot. Yeah, much better. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do this. I feel bad. Let's do one more. Go ahead into the Discord. Let's give away some top 1 futures. We'll do 2. I'm feeling nice because I feel bad for all that and all the lag. Thanks for sticking with me here, guys. So let's do this. Type top 1 futures. Go. I'll give everyone a few minutes. Plus, we got Ike coming on at 9:30, so we'll just run this giveaway until then. Then we can focus on trading. What is my CPU? I don't know, bro, but I just got a brand new MacBook, so it should be fine. I've never had an issue before. Oh, you probably asked me that a while ago. Yeah. All right, guys, get your entries in. I will. I'm going to take a quick, 60-second break. Okay, we'll be right back. We'll get the winners going. Oops. Okay, be right back, chat. All right, we back. No lag, right, guys? We've been good. Zach, you are a really good trader. Thanks, bro. I'm trying my best. I do all right. Bring coffee when you are back. All right. How's everyone doing? Yeah, it's been all good since we cut the other stream. Yeah. I just wanted to confirm that. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, I'm going to get these entries in, okay? I think we gave everyone enough time. I'm getting this list made right now. Market's holding up here. It'll be interesting. I'm interested to see what ForexIke is looking at. All right, here we go. All right, duck race, duck race. Oops. I forget when I do that. Zach, if the current candle forms a morning star, it's a reversal. Is a morning star candle just like a candle with a long wick? I've never understood what a morning star is. All right, here we go, chat. We ready? This is for a 25K elite top one futures account. So shout out, big shout out, top one futures. Let's get it. On three, 1, 2, 3, go. It's lagging again. Jesus Christ. Hey guys, sorry. My camera's lagging. Jesus, I don't know what's going on, guys. All right, Big Mike, you won. You won. You won the race, Big Mike. Shout out. Yeah, Mike. Oh, my fellow Italian. Let's go. Fuck. I don't know what to do, guys. I feel like I'm lagging way too much. We may need to figure. Guys, we're like lagging so much right now. I need to go figure something out. So we're gonna end the stream, and maybe we'll be back. Okay, I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned on X. We'll make an update, but we're lagging too much right now, and yeah, we'll try and figure it out. Yep, that's what we'll do. Peace.